I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is secret?
Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I have a ton of cleaning motivation for you today. We are going to tidy up, but we are also going to deep clean some spaces in my house today. So I hope that this cleaning motivation video gives you a ton of cleaning motivation. We are going to get so much done today and I'm so excited to share it with you. So I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if this is your first time here for tons of cleaning motivation every single week. We are going to be deep cleaning the carpets today. We are going to start on the stairs, which are the dirtiest spot of the house. They were absolutely disgusting. So we are going to tackle those. The first thing we are going to do is vacuum them all up before we go in with the carpet cleaner and get them all nice and deep cleaned because they surely need it. The carpets have not been cleaned for so long and they were so gross. I cannot wait to share the gross water with you. It's disgusting and satisfying all at the same time. So I hope you are ready for a ton of cleaning motivation in today's video, and we are just gonna jump right in and get started with everything.
How can I believe you when everything is secret?
I just got this Hoover Smart Wash Pet Complete carpet cleaner and I am so incredibly excited about it. After using it, I realized how amazing it is. I've had so many carpet cleaners and this one takes the cake for all of them. It was so easy to maneuver. It works so well and it's super easy to set up too. And to top it all off, it is super easy to clean up once you are done cleaning your carpets. But I'm going to be using the Hoover Paws and Claws Deep Clean and Neutralize concentration to use in the cleaner itself, and it works really great. It doesn't have a super weird smell to it like a lot of other cleaners do that go in the carpet cleaner. And we are going to get to cleaning. I love that this one comes with an attachment. If you guys have been around for a while, you know that I had tried to purchase one recently and I did not love it, and I ended up returning it because it didn't have attachments and the tank filled up super quickly and I was having to empty it a ton and I didn't get much cleaned up before having to empty anything. So today we are putting this Hoover to the test and I am so excited about it. It worked so well. This attachment is everything. It got the stairs so much cleaner. They're not perfect. I'm pretty sure these stairs are just never gonna be completely clean. They're pretty disgusting, not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it and pretend that they're super clean, but they are so much cleaner now than they were before. You'll see the water. It was absolutely disgusting to think that my kids are walking around on this and we're tracking all of that dirt into our bedrooms and stuff, which I did end up cleaning as well because, you know, once you start, you can't stop. Once you pop, the fun don't stop. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get everything all cleaned up and I'm going to use this attachment on the stairs today because it made it so much easier to get them all nice and cleaned up. And it worked really well. It has great suction power and it does such a good job. I cannot rave about it enough. I absolutely love this machine and I kind of just want to clean my carpets all the time now because of it.
Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong.
Does anyone else love carpet lines? I'm obsessed with carpet lines. I find them so satisfying. And using this carpet cleaner, this Hoover carpet cleaner, gives you the best carpet lines whether it's with the attachment or the actual machine itself. And I found that so satisfying. Not only was my carpet getting cleaned and the water was super dirty, which is also gross and satisfying, but watching these carpet lines come to life was everything. I was so excited about them. I am such a sucker for carpet lines. If you have been watching my channel for a while, then you know how much I love them. I love a good carpet line, and if a machine gives me a good carpet line, I am all for it. This was the water just from the stairs. It was so incredibly dirty. You couldn't see through it at all. It was so disgusting and gunky. So we're going to dump this out into the toilet, flush it all down, and then we are going to get back to cleaning up the rest of the house. We are going to clean up the loft area after this, shampoo the carpet, shampoo the couch, and we are also going to dust and tidy it up as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying today's video and getting a ton of motivation from it, maybe to get some deep cleaning done in your own home. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, if you are enjoying it, and if you need to get some deep cleaning done in your house as well.
Too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
My husband is a huge computer gamer, so this is his little battle station over here. If you're a gamer, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to dust everything off really well to the best of my ability and not mess up all of his stuff that he has set up. But we're going to get stuff dusted because I want to be able to vacuum up all of the dust before we get to cleaning the carpet. So we're going to dust everything, pick everything up, and then we are also going to go in and vacuum everything up. If you have never used a carpet cleaner before, you want to make sure to vacuum really well before going in and using one, just so that you are actually cleaning the carpets and sucking up the dirtiness that you want to clean up versus just kind of vacuuming them up and gunking up your carpet cleaner. So we are going to pick all the things up, vacuum everything up. There's little pieces of paper and toys and random stuff all over the place because we have a puppy and she tends to chew everything and leave messes everywhere. But I also have an almost 6-year-old and an almost 3-year-old who like to make messes as well and have random stuff all over the place, or little Lego pieces, broken toys. I don't know, you name it. It's in that rug right there, the super shag rug. It collects everything. There's probably little pieces of toys from years and years of use. So we're gonna try to vacuum it up to the best of our ability over here and get that all nice and cleaned up. Then we're gonna roll it up while we are shampooing the carpets and get everything underneath the rug cleaned up, as well as cleaning up the loft and this hallway area.
Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. Crazy.
I am going to link this Smart Wash by Hoover cleaner in my description box for you, so it's super easy for you to find. You guys need one in your life. If you are looking for a carpet cleaner, look no further, because I promise you, you will not regret this purchase at all. I am obsessed with mine. I want to use it on all of the things. It is so good. It is so good. You guys, get one. Get one. Get one for yourself. Treat yourself. You will love it. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I had just gotten this machine. This was the first time I was using it. Like, I completely unboxed it and put it together just to clean up in this video. And when I tell you it's easy to maneuver and it works really well and it's super simple to use, I am not joking. It's seriously as easy as vacuuming. You don't have to work super hard. I've had a bunch of other carpet cleaners in the past and they're just really hard to use. You have to go super slow, or you have to do a certain angle, or just all the random things, and this is not like that at all. It tells you when you are washing and it tells you when you are drying, and it's super easy to push around. It is not hard to push at all. It is heavy, obviously. It's a pretty big machine, but it works so well. It is worth every single penny. I highly recommend, and it comes with this great attachment, which is great for the stairs, but it's also great for upholstery too, especially if you have pets. Obviously, it's the pet machine, but I really loved using this. I want to clean everything all of the time. If you saw my last cleaning video, then you know that my chairs, my dining chairs, are super disgusting and dirty. So I think I'm going to try and tackle those with this next and see how it holds up when it comes to cleaning that disgusting mess, because the chairs are nasty and crusty. If you haven't seen that video, you must. I will have it linked down below in the description box for you, because ew. They were gross. They are super gross. And that video is also full of cleaning motivation as well.
Every night I'm back into your arms again, dancing in the shadows of my sleep.
Alrighty, I am going to clean up my room now. Luckily, it's not too bad, but it definitely needs to be cleaned up. I'm going to straighten up some of this laundry. Most of the laundry over here is not my stuff, it's my daughter's stuff. And every time I do the laundry or get it done, she is napping or asleep, so I haven't been able to put it away. And it kind of just got thrown in the corner last week and has been stuck there since. So I'm going to fold it all up again, and I am going to take it out of my room, put it next to her room so that I have to put it away. And I remember it because I walk up and down their hallway every single day, multiple times a day. So I'm going to make sure to get her stuff put away. But for now, we are going to fold it up and we are going to tidy up my room as well. And just wipe stuff down in here. I'm going to dust a little bit in here so that we can vacuum up the dust and then get to cleaning the carpets in my room too. My carpets haven't been cleaned since we moved into our house a couple of years ago, so they're probably super nasty. There's some tanning lotion spilled on the floor, there's some makeup spilled out on the floor, and of course there's dog hair and all the stuff that comes with having dogs all over the floor as well. So I wanted to share a cleaning hack with you guys. This is my favorite way to dust a ceiling fan. You take a pillowcase, preferably a dirty one that you need to already wash anyways, and you just wipe each blade. It catches the dust inside the pillowcase so it's not floating all over the place or falling onto the floor. Regardless, you probably still need to vacuum up after doing it, but it eliminates some of the dust from falling onto the floor, and it works so well. I can't remember where I saw it, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, something like that. I didn't come up with it on my own, even though I wish I was that clever, but it works like a charm. I am going to strip the darker bedding off of my bed so that I can get that thrown in the wash too, since we just dusted all over it. And then we are going to get to vacuuming up the floors in here and cleaning the carpet in here too.
Have you been? It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you. On paper thin, I haven't always been this shy, but haven't felt this in a while now. So sad when we are apart. If you leave, you break my heart. I need you to need me too. Stay with me when it's getting dark. Hold me tight, close in your arms. I want you to want me too. Why is it so hard to just be honest? Why is it so hard to speak the truth? Why is it so hard to just be honest when I want this? Maybe you want it too, so I just need to tell you.
So while I was tidying up my room and cleaning the carpets in my room, my kids were making messes downstairs. So we are going to straighten up the living room and just get it all tidied up because it needs to be picked up. I cannot stand when the living room is a mess or there's stuff all over the place, even if it's a little bit of things. I just love when my living room is all nice and tidied up. And I am super excited because we are going to be changing up the living room here soon. We are actually going to get new floors all throughout the downstairs of the house. My husband and I are going to be doing those, and I have been waiting so long to do them, and I am so excited to share all of that with you. So I hope you guys are ready for a big, huge makeover coming your way shortly here. We have ordered part of the flooring, and we are going to make sure we love it before we order the rest of the flooring, and I cannot wait to film new videos on new floors and just clean up the living room a bit. We want to get some new rugs. We eventually want to get a new couch and just get some new furniture in here because it's kind of barren in here. But I'm so excited to bring you guys along with that. And for now, in this video, we are going to vacuum things up downstairs and just make sure there's no crumbs on the floor, dirt on the floor from outside, whatever it may be that's sticking to the bottom of our feet. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to vacuum it all up and get it nice and taken care of today.
I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering. Baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just...
Back upstairs we go to finish tidying up the loft because it became a mess when I was cleaning my room. Life with kids. And I am also going to put new pillowcases on our pillows that we have on our little couch up here. Something more neutral. If you've been around for a while, you know I love neutral tones in my home. So it's time to get rid of these blue pillowcases. I absolutely love these blue pillowcases though. But they kind of just don't go with anything in my house, so I'm changing them out to these tan pillowcases from IKEA that I just got. I love IKEA for pillowcase covers or pillowcases themselves, throw pillows. They're really affordable and they have lasted for so long. Highly recommend if you have an IKEA near you, or you can order them online as well, but their delivery kind of is a pain in the butt. Anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. You guys need to get that Hoover Smart Wash Pet Carpet Cleaner. It is fantastic, worth every single penny, and I hope that you guys have loved this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not already done so, stick around and subscribe for a ton of cleaning motivation every single week. I hope you have a fantastic day, and thank you so much for being here and watching this video.